Today's lesson is very challenging for me. I have broken my stylus and I cannot write. But as I expect my students to be regular, committed, and strategic, I have to be one. So today I have got an opportunity to tell you okay, if we think we can, we can. If I have to post a video today, I have to post it. Let's start. Question number 8. F of x is equal to 4x plus b. For a linear function f, b is a constant and f of 7 is equal to 28. What is the value of b? This is kind of a lottery question. It should take seconds to solve this question. If I see this particular f of 7 is equal to 28, I must figure out within a second that input is 7 and output is 28. That means when x is 7, y is 28, right? So we have to just plug the values and b will be the variable here. Let's see the first part. When x is equal to 7, this is the input. F of x is equal to 28 or y is equal to 28. Let's plug it. 28 at place of fx is equal to 4 times 7 plus b, and now b is equal to 0. 4 sevens are 28. Subtracting 28 on both sides, b is equal to 0. So a is the right option. Yay, I have done it. Let's come to question number 9. Right triangles LMN and PQR are similar. See, when the triangles are like similar, then sequence is very important. So if the question says LM and PQ are similar, that means first letter L or angle L is equal to angle P, M is equal to Q, and N is equal to R, right? That is obvious because sequence is very important. Okay, but let's read the question. Where L and M corresponds to P and Q respectively. That means L with P and M with Q. Respectively means if it is written in the sequence L and M, then P will go with L and Q will go with M. So angle L is equal to angle P and angle M is equal to angle Q. Angle M has a measure of 53 degree. What is the measure of angle Q? Now because I know the concept, right? I know that if M corresponds to Q, then measure of angle M will be equal to measure of angle Q. So that means it's 53 degree. Now because I have explained this concept to you, I have taken a minute maybe, but if you know this concept, this is again a lottery question which will take maybe only 5 to 6 seconds, right? Because you have to read the question very carefully. Perfect. Let's move to question number 10. Which is the equation of the line that passes through the point 0, 5, okay, and is parallel to the graph of the line y is equal to 7x plus 4 in the xy plane? Let's break this question into smaller parts. First keyword is passes through the point 0, 5, right? Now if you say y is equal to mx plus b, that means if x is 0, in required equation, 5 will be the y-intercept. So let's see what options this have. Oh, okay, only B option has 5 as the y-intercept and y is equal to mx plus b, right? Let's write it. So the equation is y is equal to, let's face the challenge, m x plus, okay, p. I am learning to take the challenge. Perfect. Now b is the y-intercept, so that means 5. If I go with the options, only b is the point where b, which is showing b as 5. So I have already selected the right answer, but let's see, let's cross check it. Is The other key point is parallel to the graph of y is equal to 7x plus 4. That means this is the line where we are comparing the given line. 7 is the slope. If 7 is the slope of the given line, the required line will have the slope of 7 because these lines are parallel to each other and slopes of parallel lines are equal. So yes, that also fits this situation. That means B is the right option. I am proud of myself. I have overcome the challenge of not having the stylus today. Are you ready for your challenge?